Hey guys, how you all doing? So Dan from Trading with Dan here. So what a day for Bitcoin. Bitcoin's back straight above 6,000, so that's really good to see. I mean, you guys knew I was working a short position, but overall in the period of time I was in and out of this short position and then hitting my stop loss at basically 5,600 and something. I'm still up in Satoshis overall, so I was happy to see Bitcoin then rise basically nearly $1,000. I think our low was about 5,300 when I checked my phone to see what it was first thing when I woke up this morning, and then we got up to well over 5,300 today. So that's a legitimate 1k move, so that is great to see. Hopefully that spells the end of our of this downwards trend. I mean, I hope it does. I sincerely do, but I mean, it will remain to be seen. Maybe this will end up looking like the bottom that we put in when last time when we came down to about 3,200. We obviously came down, put in the bottom. We never took out that low again. I mean, fair enough, we've rallied up a bit now, but we can still go down to mid 5,500s. I think just work our way around here, just a bit more of accumulation over the next few weeks, and then push on back over 10k. I mean, that sounds like the perfect scenario for me. For us all. I mean, it's all well and good getting good trades with our bots, getting good sells in, but just when our Satoshi value, the actual value of our Satoshis, our fiat value is going down, it's just, we'd rather make money both ways. We'd rather be making money on the trades and then making money on the BTC that we're holding as well. So yeah, but straight over to the indicator. So DMT, we had a perfect DMT buy signal here, and that is currently sat in about 12% profit, so that's fantastic. That's a great signal. I am obviously disappointed I didn't take it and go long, but hey, I've had my bearish view. Stocks were very weak today. I mean, they did have quite a good rally, but that's it now. I'm going to stop getting distracted by what the stock market is doing and just concentrate on the indicators for DMT. I'm going to turn the bots back on. I'll show you guys that now. Let's go to my bots. Where's the bots? Here's the bots. So we are going to switch on the DMT bot, DMT long bot. Obviously that isn't going to kick in because we're in a long trade at the moment. The DMT short bot, the Dominator long bot, and the Dominator short bot. So there we go. Got all our bots up and running, and then maybe in a few days I'll do the Ethereum bots, but I'll have to do new bots for this Ethereum Dominator bots. We won't, like I told you guys, I won't be using DMT. But yeah, so also if we look at the 25-minute here, we've got an even better buy signal here. If you want to look where this came in, it basically came in around this morning as well, actually. So around this level here, 5,300. I mean, look at that for an absolutely beautiful buy. Absolutely perfect buy signal. I mean, we didn't look back. We're currently sitting at 17% profit, and we obviously got up to 20% profit. So I don't really know what to say, guys. These are just incredible signals. We had a sell signal that didn't really work. It gave you a chance to get out of a profit or a scratch if you wanted to. Obviously these signals, they get you in the trades, but how you run the trade when you're in it is obviously up to you. I don't suggest people run trades on side and then off side and still hold them. It's just better to take profits or break even and just wait for the next trade, and the next trade was a really good one. Again, the Dominator buy signal we had here didn't do too much, gave you a chance to get out of profit or break even. The sell signal we had here, I mean, again the same, it did give you a chance to get out of a good profit out of this. If we hit the sell, we'll just try and zoom in here a bit. The sell was on this candle here. So if you're on that candle there, you did, I mean, you got down into a 10% profit here, guys, 11% profit. So the market was trading quite wild at this time. So it's not impossible for you to have been stopped out. I mean, like this move here, this buy signal we had here. Obviously it went down well, it went down nearly 3% first before then going up 12%, but that is what we're looking at. This more volatility around here is a bit more uncertain, so now things seem to have calmed down a bit. Famous last words there. Calm down a bit. Well, this is why you've just seen me turn the bots back on, so I'm more comfortable with the bots now. So yeah, shame we missed this last trade, but hey, this is the trade that has triggered me to turn the bots back on. So we'll have a look at the same indicators on Ethereum. So the Ethereum 15-minute DMT again got us in a great buy. We never look back. This would have been the buy level. We broke the buy level, we closed the candle, the next candle we're in, and well, if you just count this one, you're up 6% pretty much straight away. I mean, you quite probably would have done, not quite probably, you weren't going to sit and watch a 6% profit run into a 1.8% profit, so you would have been out. But that's a great profit. Dominator's one that we more suggest that you would hold whilst you're still in the buy signal, and it gets you in early, so earlier in the trend. So the buy signal was basically here. Obviously, you know, Ethereum's volatile. It got us down to a 2.5% loss, but then got us up to a 20% gain, and then you would be currently sat at 15.5% gain. So these are phenomenal gains, guys. I mean, bearing in mind how I was trading the bot the whole last month, I was only up about 11 point something percent, but obviously I did cash the bot out of the big sell trade just a little bit too early. But yeah, so you can see, yeah, so 25-minute Dominator, 25-minute DMT, great ways to trade. But yeah, so you see, you can buy on the DMT, on the Dominator, you buy more on the DMT, and then you can run the Dominator, and then you can take the profit on the DMT, because the DMT is sort of like the extra breakout part. So then yeah, so you just making great profits here with these two indicators, guys. Like, what can I say? There you go, you can see them all in action. So remember, none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Don't do anything that I say. But yeah, the two indicators though, they are for sale. DMT and Dominator both together available for a monthly rental of $111 per month. But if you're a serious crypto trader, or if you have a decent amount of Bitcoin, you don't even have to have loads of Bitcoin, but if you set that up with 3 commas, have these set up automatically to trade for you, you'll never miss a trade. Whether you're at work, whether you're at sleep, whether you're out at the weekend, whatever you're doing, you'll hit all the trades each month. So it's definitely worth it if you are gonna put the effort into setting this all up. It's not the easiest thing to set up, but I've got video tutorials of how to do it. Obviously, you get the indicators as scripts in TradingView. You then use TradingView to communicate the buy and sell signals to 3 commas. 3 commas then connects to via an API to your Bitmex, and then Bitmex then obviously is where you execute the actual trades. So that is the process. This is not like a signal service where I'm sat here twiddling my thumbs looking at the market thinking, this doesn't look like it's going to go down, I'll issue a sell signal to my signals group. It's not, we don't have any of that here. We're just going with the flow of the momentum market, going with the momentum, going with the flow. We're not fighting the trend, we're going with the trends, waiting for the moves, waiting for the breakouts. And that's how we trade here, guys. No gimmicks, no nothing. We're just trying to give you the tools to basically make the right trading decisions yourself, as long as you manage your risk properly. There's no reason why you can't be a successful trader using this strategy. So thanks for listening, guys. Yeah, smash a like on the video if you like that. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of these daily videos and other financial news videos that I've been doing. So yeah, appreciate you guys listening to this, and I'll speak to you all in the morning.